most interesting things about Antarctica?
An incredible 60 to 90% of the world's fresh water is locked in Antarctica's vast ice sheet. The Antarctic ice sheet is the largest on Earth, covering an incredible 14 million kilometers square of Antarctic mountain ranges, valleys, and plateaus. Because Antarctica lies in the southern hemisphere, seasons there are the opposite of seasons in the north. Summer runs from October to February, and winter covers the remainder of the year. Antarctica sits on every line of longitude, therefore it technically falls under every time zone. It experiences 24-hour days of sunlight during summer and 24 hours of darkness in winter. The dry valleys in Antarctica are the driest places on Earth. With such low humidity and moisture on this portion of the continent, snow and ice cannot even accumulate, which leaves the valleys as just as dusty expanse of dirt. Antarctica is, on average, the windiest place on Earth. Scientists exploring this southerly landmass have reported wind speeds that have reached up to 200 miles per hour. Scientists claim that if the West Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, it would raise global sea levels by about 16 feet. While Antarctica is covered in ice, it actually holds one of the world's biggest mountain ranges, the Gamburtsev Mountains, which stretch out more than 1,200 kilometers. Another interesting geographic feature hidden under the ice sheet is Lake Vostok, a freshwater lake buried under 4 kilometers of frozen water. This lake is about the size of Lake Ontario and is one of more than 200 different bodies of water that has been discovered beneath the ice. Antarctica is home to Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano in the world, as well as the only known lava lakes, which have held liquid magma for eons, despite the continent's frigid conditions. There are 30 different countries that operate 80 research stations situated around the continent. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you in the next video. Bye!